Good afternoon, Jason Smith, Titan Surfaces Vice President. Today I want to talk to you about our Epic line. It's a 8mm WPC 7x60 painted bevel, 20mm wear layer, standard embossed. I know we've been talking a lot about embossed and registered in the past few videos that we've done, but today we're going to talk about our standard emboss. This standard emboss is still no slouch. It does really well for us, especially in this particular color lineup with Epic. The first color here is Broughton Street. Broughton Street is a very unique pine look. I've personally seen this down in several locations. Again, talking about the standard emboss with the vertical grain, it really gives you some nice texture, has some great knots. One unique thing about this is we did a black painted bevel to kind of really make this pop and give it more of a throwback, authentic kind of look. Broughton Street. Moving on, we have Copper Ridge. Copper Ridge is a birch look, if you will. It is a high shade variation product for us. As you can see, it has a lot of movement and color. Therefore, we do have high shade variation stickers that we put on this particular sample board in your display. But Copper Ridge is a steady mover for us. Moving on to Park Place. Park Place is one of many colors that we have crossover to another line, which in this particular case is Simplicity. Park Place has, again, nice movement of color. Again, you can see some birch grain, a little throwback to that. Again, chocolatey painted bevel. Very good color for us in the Midwest and really across our entire coverage area that we cover. My favorite brown in the entire line that we have here at Titan, which is just a steady, everyday meat and potatoes color for us. It's a very rich brown. It's called Rio Grande. Also crosses over into Simplicity, which is Shenandoah. So if you don't want it in this particular price point, you wanted to go to Simplicity, you could get it in that as well. Again, great Midwestern color for our guys there, but just an overall great color for Titan. Moving here, we have Sunset Cruise. Sunset Cruise is a very good coastal color. Does very well for us in the southeast, being a lighter color. Has some great details with some of the cracks that are filled, some details in the knots. Again, the vertical grain with the standard emboss really gives it nice texture and nice visual. I'm going to flip around here, talk to you about one of the few grays that we have left here at Titan. This has been a solid color for us since day one. We do very well with this color as far as a gray goes. It has a little bit of a blue hue to it. Also have some brown in the background, which is why I feel like it still has a great life here at Titan. Again, Victoria Falls is the color name, does very well for us. Moving here, this is an exotic look. We tried to go after what the Brazilian cherry really looks like from the days of the exotic woods, also known as Jatoba. This particular film does a great job showing true color variation that what Brazilian cherry had and has, as well as the grain variation. All right, last but not least, we have Salvador, also known as Tigerwood. Tigerwood was a very popular item in the days of exotic woods, obviously still around, still doing very well. But I would say that both of these colors are just timeless colors. We always have to have a red in Sao Paulo, and obviously we have an orange with some black in Salvador. Two really good colors, the latest additions to the Epic line. We do have a strap set here. Obviously, you know, we carry builder board strap sets as well as our display cards that you can all get for each and every product. Appreciate your time today. 8mm 7x60 painted bevel 20mm wear layer standard emboss Epic.